today we're making chicken taco soup, and all we're adding is black beans, as much as you want. Like I said in my other video, I add as much as I want to add. Pinto beans, I'm not Mexican, but I do like Mexican food. Mexican corn. Adding chicken, cooked up chicken breast. And I'm making a nice big pot because when it rains, my husband likes soup. So I told him I was making him a chicken taco soup, and he got really excited. Chili sauce, enchilada sauce, as much as you want. Chopped tomatoes, and I add also sweet peppers, which is pimientos. All them pretty colors. So now I want to add some onion powder, and everything is to taste. I like adding my seasoning and then tasting it and see how, how it tastes, and see if it needs a little bit more of this or a little bit more of that. Chili powder, cumin. Cumin. You could add as much as you want. A taco seasoning mix. Garlic. So our taco soup is done, and it looks amazing. It smells delicious. We have white rice to go with it, and this is what it looks like. So this is the completion of my taco soup. Chicken taco soup. Waiting for hubby to come home and savor it. Garnish with a little bit of parsley, a side of white rice and avocado. And if you like, subscribe, like, and share.